Welcome student on another video lecture. Today's topic is method of preparation of tablet. This method of preparation of tablet, it includes following step. First step is dispensing. All the ingredients to be used for manufacturing of tablets are accurately weighed and dispensed according to their dose. This step, being highly critical, should be directed by the concerned technician. So first step is dispensing. All the ingredients which are required to prepare that tablet are accurately weighed and dispensed. Second is sizing. The ingredients are finely divided by size reduction process for better flowability and ease of mixing. For uniform mixing of all the ingredients, it should be followed by the step of size reduction. Size reduction is done so that it will increase the flowability characteristic of the powdered mixture as well as help in mixing. Powdered blending. The powdered drug substance and ingredients are mixed in a blender by geometric dilution to yield a uniform and homogeneous powder mix. So after weighing of ingredient, size reduction is followed by mixing powdered drug substance and other ingredients, that is active pharmaceutical ingredient and excipients are mixed together so that uniform homogeneous powder mixture is produced. Now next step is granulation. Small powdered particles are gathered together into layers and convert into permanent aggregate so that they can flow freely. So first step is dispensing, after that size reduction, after size reduction uniform mixing of active pharmaceutical ingredient with excipient, which is followed by granulation. For granulation there are different methods or technique. First technique is wet granulation method, the oldest and most widely used method involving steps which include weighing, mixing, granulation, screening of damp mass, drying, dry screening, lubrication and finally compression. So first step is weighing. All the ingredients which are mentioned in the formula, they are weighed. After weighing, then size reduction is done. After size reduction, mixing of active pharmaceutical ingredient and excipient is done. That mixing is done according to ascending order of their weight. After that, uniform homogeneous mixture is produced. Now in that homogeneous mixture, powder mixture, granulating agent is added and a damp mass is produced or a coherent mass is produced. That coherent mass is then passed through sieve or screening of damp mass is done. The sieve with mesh towel is generally used for wet screening. After that, these wet granules, they are dried in fluidized bed dryer or tray dryers and the temperature is maintained, that is 40 or 50 to 55 degrees Celsius temperature is maintained so that the granules are uniformly dried. After drying of that granules, then dry screening is done. For dry screening, the mesh 18 is used. After dry screening, the dried granules are mixed with lubricants and disintegrating agents and finally it is compressed into the tablet. So this is the wet granulation method to prepare the tablet. Next is dry granulation method, or it is also known as slugging, double compression or recompression method. For ingredients which are sensitive to moisture and elevated temperature during drying, such ingredients follow the method, that is dry granulation method. In that case, steps are weighing, mixing, slugging, dry screening, lubrication and compression. So first step is weighing. All the ingredients which are mentioned in the formula, they are weighed. After weighing, then mixing of active pharmaceutical ingredient with excipient is done and that mixing is done according to ascending orders of their weight. After mixing, a homogeneous mixture is produced. That homogeneous mixture is compressed into the tablet. larger cell tablet that are known as slugs. These slugs then they are broken down into smaller particles, such as granules are prepared, dry granules are prepared from that slug. After preparation of dry granules, these are screened so that the oversized granules are removed and uniform granules are collected. After collection of uniform size granule, lubricants are added, or disintegrants if needed they are also added, and it is finally compressed into the tablet. This is the dry granulation method. Third one is direct compression method. For a small group of crystalline chemicals, absence of granulating step. So those ingredients or those drugs which are in crystalline form, that may follow the direct compression method, and in that granulating step as well as avoidance of moisture and drying step. Drying step is also avoided, granulating step is also avoided, and the crystalline chemicals are used and minimum material handling is done. Rapidity of total process, that is also one of the advantage of direct compression method. Optimum possible bioavailability of the drug from the resulting tablet. So in direct compression method, those ingredients which are in crystalline nature, that granulating step is completely avoided. After that, mixing of lubricants or disintegrating agent is done and it is compressed into the tablet. That is direct compression method. So three methods are there: wet granulation method, dry granulation method, and direct compression method, which is used for granulation. After that, drying and dry screening of the granules. Screen wet granules in case of wet granulation method are dried in tray dryers or fluidized bed dryer for specified time period at 55 degrees Celsius temperature to obtain dried granules, which are screened through suitable mesh screen. After drying, then tablet compression. Dried granules are compressed into the flat, convex, round, oblong or unique shaped tablets that are engraved with an identifying symbol and code number using tablet press. So after that, compression is done, and most of the drugs, they are bitter in taste and unpleasant in odor, and due to which the coating is done on after compression of tablet to mask unpleasant taste and odor of some drug, to enhance the appearance of uncoated tablets, or to control the release of drug from the tablet by enclosing the core tablet with coating solution. So these are the various steps which are involved in preparation or manufacture of tablet. Thank you.